If you're wondering how to turn off your Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controllers, then this video is for you. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to power them down in the right way, whether they're connected or wireless. Let's get right into it. Option 1. Turn off Joy-Cons individually. So get your Nintendo Switch. Behind it, press the detaching button on one of your Joy-Cons and slide it up to detach it from your Switch. On the right side of your Joy-Cons, you will see this round-shaped button in the middle. It's the small button over here. Press on it to completely turn off your Joy-Con. If you want to turn on your Joy-Con, then just press and hold the same button until the light indicator comes up. Option 2. Turn off Joy-Cons by detaching and sleeping the console. So, if your Joy-Cons are attached to the Switch, simply put the Switch into sleep mode by pressing the power button once. This automatically puts the Joy-Cons to sleep too. If you remove them after, they'll stay powered off until you press a button. And that's how you can turn off your Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controllers. Super quick and easy. If this helps you out, then give this video a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more simple Nintendo tips. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.